Long locks are out. Hair must be above collar length for factory girls. Don't want a big chop, war effort or not? Not to worry, here are 4 practical yet beautiful updos for the woman engaged in wartime work. Helping Uncle Sam and looking like a movie starlet can be one and the same. The first one is very simple but oh so becoming. You'll need a square-shaped scarf. Hold the scarf by its top corners, slip it beneath your hair at the back, and tie the top corners into a knot. Take the bottom corners and twist upwards like so, making sure to catch all your hair in the scarf. Then tie both corners together into a firm knot or 2. When everything is nice and secure, you can tuck the knot underneath the scarf for a neat appearance. You may also tuck in the knot at the top of the head if you desire. And there you have it, a lovely snood style achieved with a scarf. Next, it's a patriotic little number that's as pretty as it is practical. Start with the middle parting. Take a front section of hair and tease it with a comb or brush to create volume. Then roll it upwards into a victory roll. Pin into place. Take a similarly sized section of hair from behind the victory roll and repeat. Tease, roll up, and pin the hair into place. Smooth both rolls together as much as possible to give the appearance of a single long victory roll. Fashion the other side of the hair exactly the same as before, taking care that all rolls are similar in size for an even look. When the victory rolls are pinned into place, it's time to do something about the back of the hair. Loosely twist it into a simple low bun and secure it with pins. Now it's time to give the hairdo a once-over to make sure everything looks alright, and make small adjustments if necessary. Here is the finished hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, take a section of hair from the top of the head, around about a handful. Tease with a comb for volume, then roll backward into a pompadour. Pin the hair into place. Then take a section from the side and roll it up in the same manner. As with the previous hairdo, take care to smooth the roll into the pompadour to make them seem like one continuous roll. Repeat on the other side. Now that you have a neat pompadour, it's time to move on to the back. For this, you'll need a hair rat. Place it over your hair at the back and secure it with pins, lining it up with the pompadour rolls. Then take your hair and roll it over the rat, tucking the ends underneath. It may take a bit of rearranging and a good hand mirror to make sure all of the rat is covered up. When everything is as smooth and secure as possible, your hairdo is done. Last but not least is a smart and popular turban style. Start with your hair well out of the way. A bun, braids, or even your hair in curlers will do. Here a braided style is shown. Separate hair in half and braid. Then pin each braid flat onto the head, at the back or at the top. It doesn't matter as long as it stays in place. Now for the other side. Take a sturdy headscarf, a long rectangular one is best, wrap it around the back of the head and tie into a knot at the front. Fold over to the opposite side, then roll each section up like a pin curl, tucking it beneath the fabric at the back like so. And it's as easy as that. No fuss and plenty of oomph.